It is currently the last time we are riding Soarin' Around the World. Because today's the last day that Soarin' Around the World will be at Epcot.
May 13th, 2026.
For just a little bit. They are going to switch Soarin' to Soarin' Across America for America's 250th celebration. And today is the last day that you can ride Soarin' Around the World. We do have a video on it, but we wanted to show another one just as a refresher. And then in just a small little bit, there's going to be annual pass holder previews for Soarin' Across America. And we'll also film that.
Yes.
So that we can see the difference between Around the World and Across America.
I'd say there will be some pretty big differences.
You think so?
Yeah.
I would have to agree with that. I'm excited for it. I looked back in the day. We also filmed I can't remember the full name, but it's the California one. Soarin.
Oh.
What was it? Soarin Around California or something like that.
Don't remember.
It was the California version of it, and we got to film that one. So it's cool to document when they do different Soarins. That's what we're doing today. We do have a Lightning Lane, which we normally don't do, but since it's the last day, didn't want to wait an hour, and we can get in as soon as we make it into the park. Let's go check it out. And just for a heads up, the music in Soarin' is copyrighted. So if I have to break it up to where it doesn't just flow all the way through, just make note that that is why, because you kind of have to break it up a little bit so you don't get copyrighted. But we'll do the best we can at showing the majority of the ride. Got the monorail here. It is busy tonight, so I'm glad we have a Lightning Lane. I will say, just look back at the video and it was Soarin' Over California. That's what they called that one. So we've got Soarin' Around the World, Soarin' Over California, and soon to be Soarin' Across America. Good times. It's one of our favorite rides. If you don't know where Soarin' is located, go under Spaceship Earth and take a ride up here. Take you right to it. You'll see by this arrow down here, World Nature. This way. And it's just right on over here. Pretty easy to get to, honestly. Look at this nice cloud formation, basically coming out of Soarin'. I'm gonna say it's just coming out of Soarin'. Meant to be that we ride it. So over here is the Land Pavilion, which will have Soarin' and also other things in it. What does it say the weight is? Let's see. Oh, it just showed it. Let's go one more. It says, come on, change. Well, it says the Land, Soarin', 55 minutes. Glad we got that Lightning Lane. You can see featuring Soarin', go right through here. It's down on the first floor. I'm sure a lot of people are wanting to ride it today since it's gonna be closed for a brief amount of time before they switch it over, but oh yeah. Head through here. So Soarin's gonna be down here to the left, right there. The good news is they're not changing, like, obviously the ride. It's just different visuals. Soarin's right over there. Go down the stairs or the escalator, and we should be able to scan right in, bypass the 55 minutes. There you go, Soarin' to the right. Soarin' Around the World. I don't think they'll change the sign. Oh, maybe they will change it. I don't know, what's everybody's called? Do you think they will switch the sign to say Soarin' Across America? Should be interesting. And the nice thing is, Lightning Lane right here. And standby entrance is currently 55 minutes. We get to go here. Done deal. Look at that. Now I will record the whole show. It's just a matter of when editing what will be allowed. Oh yeah, this line is not a fun line to stand in. We've done that many a times. They do have the little games up on the screen you can play. Just kind of showing you the different places we're going to. Look, Soarin' Over California. Soon to have Soarin' Across America. Wonder what all decorating they will do for it. So we scanned basically at 7 o'clock, so we'll see how fast this Lightning Lane moves. Right now it's 7:02 and we're starting to move again. Now obviously they won't switch this sign, they've just got a generic Soarin' right there. There's also a pretty long line now. It's currently 7:08. Only been 8 minutes so far. Look at the colors in here. Nice. Kind of looks like clouds right there. Now I do like the soundtrack, the Q Line soundtrack here. Concourse C. It's currently 7:20. We're getting there. Here's the height requirement. Height is 40 inches. Rules. Should be able to get on this one, hopefully. I think row 1's the best, but we'll see what we can get on. Oh. I think we're gonna be row 3. I think last time we filmed we were row 3. Man. There we go. Be fun to see the new screen here of where you're traveling across America. Obviously, this is the world. I don't remember if they changed it for California. I'd have to go back and look at that video. Do you remember if they changed it for California up here on the screen?
No, I don't think that they did.
Yeah, I don't really remember. I'm also trying to talk over the music so you can watch this screen a little bit. But there's the Great Wall. Pacific Ocean, so... Oh, we might be starting here. Let's see. Be awesome if we are. Nope, going over to the United States of America, which again will be interesting to see what that one looks like. Because you do make a few stops here. I'm sure they're going to have Epcot in the American one, just like they have it here. Oh, little preview of everything. Now across the Indian Ocean. It'd be cool if they did update this screen though for the new one. I sure hope so. Fiji, that's one of the best scenes right there. Let's see. Atlantic Ocean. Oh, maybe? Yep, it's time.
Hello, and welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and, of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling it. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have fear of flying or heights, you might want to wait for your party if you're riding. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice one.
Row 3 first. Oh yeah. Yeah, row 3, you'll be at the lowest portion of the seats. That's all right though. We'll still show it. I always like to see how long my feet will stay on the ground.
Mine don't stay for long.
Oh, it's almost time. Yep.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Oh, that's bright.
On behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.
Nice.
One fact.
There we have it. Finished. I recorded it the whole time. It was like 4-minute ride. And by now you'll know how much I was able to show. It's currently 7:35, so it took about 35 minutes instead of the 55 wait time. What a good ride. Just some more posters on the wall here. Nice. Oh no, I was gonna say this is one of my favorite parts with the chairs. The chairs are no longer here.
They need more.
What in the world? Oh, this is for when the new one comes out. Okay. Man, I love the chairs. They'll bring them back. And the wait time still shows 55 minutes. So that was good. We're just getting ready to head outside to do the outro, and we'll tell you a couple observations we saw that might have not been in our last Soarin' video. That was our trip out to Epcot to ride Soarin'. Now we made some observations with this Soarin' that I don't think we filmed in the first Soarin', right?
We wouldn't have. It was too long ago. They had some updates.
Yeah, and one of those is they've changed Epcot to be the current Epcot. I think in our previous video, well, I know in our previous video, the Epcot was the old Epcot.
Yeah, like with the fountain and all that kind of stuff, which they don't really have anymore. They have like creations and all that.
Yeah. So that was one. The other thing is they did fix the weird
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower, if you're sitting at the side of the screen, it looked all like weird.
Crooked.
They fixed that. So a couple observations there. So technically we now have 3 versions of Soarin',
Right.
soon to be a 4th. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Soarin's a favorite. Got the monorail there behind us, and always a good time. With that being said, that does it for tonight. Thanks for watching.